We're going to walk through test drive for lecture 1 right here so people can get an idea of how to work in Painter. The first step we're going to do is create a new file, File New, and we're going to go 800 by 800 pixels at 72 dots per inch. And now we have a big area in which to work. You're going to need to first choose the brush tool right here in the tool palette, and then let's pick a charcoal. Soft Fine Charcoal 10 will work fine. I'm going to use a thick handmade paper and just start drawing here. And what I want you to do is draw a simple shape, whatever you want, and you can start working with different opacities and different colors if you want. Black and white works pretty good for this assignment. And just start working and shading your image. You can also change your paper texture if you want. I'm going to drop the opacity back down to fill in some more of this area. You can work with the opacity also with the pressure on your pen. If you press hard, as you can see I've done just right there, it gets very dark, but if I press light, it just comes up light. It's just as if you were working with an actual piece of charcoal on the paper. I'm going to change my paper here so you can see the paper texture change some. And there we go. And just have fun with this. Experiment. Go ahead and change to different brushes if you want and see how they work on your image. If they don't work, you can just undo with an Apple or Control Command Z and just clear it. The next step you need to do is save as test drive 1, or actually use your name, Monica test drive 1. Save in Painter's native format RIF. That will keep all the information you've used. And then I want you to also save it as a JPEG file. Monica test drive 1. Save. Pick up your encoding. Go ahead and save it at a high res. And what I want you to then do is post that JPEG file off to the discussion board for test drive number 1. We'll see you online.